Get ready, Chicago. Coming Friday, August the 17th, it's the concert and party all Chicago's talking about. It's the Freestyle Explosion, featuring 10 of the nation's top freestyle acts, all performing live under one roof with Luis Damone. No, Sarah. Joel. Lacet Melendez. Chicago's own Law. Naomi. Joey Kidd. Laura. Fast forward. And Shauna. Freestyle Explosion 2012, featuring 7 of Chicagoland's top DJs. Mickey Mixon Oliver, Tim Spinnin' Shomer, Charlie Chaz D, Martino Spinnin' Ramos, Sly Hula Hula Fox, Joe Jam Master C, and DJ Babalu. Tickets are available online at clubtix.com. Freestyle Explosion 2012, August the 17th.